Understanding Portfolio Review, a guide for English learners. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore a very interesting phrase, portfolio review. This term is often used in professional and educational contexts, so understanding it can be really beneficial. Let's dive in. Before we understand what a portfolio review is, let's first clarify what a portfolio is. A portfolio is a collection of work samples that show off someone's skills and accomplishments. This can include artworks, writing samples, projects, and more. It's like a physical or digital showcase of what a person has done in their field of study or work. Now, let's talk about the word review in this context. A review is an examination or assessment of something. When you review something, you look at it carefully to form an opinion about it or to check its quality. So, what happens when we combine these two words? A portfolio review is an event or process where someone's portfolio is examined by others, usually experts or professionals in the field. This is done to evaluate the person's skills, progress, and potential. It's a crucial step for students in art and design fields, as well as for professionals seeking jobs or promotions. Understanding the importance of a portfolio review is key. It provides valuable feedback, helps in identifying strengths and weaknesses, and can be a stepping stone for future opportunities. For students, it's a chance to learn and grow, and for professionals, it can open doors to new career paths. I hope this video has helped clarify what a portfolio review is and why it's important. Remember, it's a term that bridges both education and professional worlds, offering a chance for growth and learning. Thanks for watching, and see you in our next video.